Hello guys, welcome back to Pranay Sir's grammar tutorials. Today we'll be dealing with another simple topic. Last time we dealt with articles. Today we'll be dealing with another topic called as degrees of comparison. But guys, before we move ahead, if you still haven't subscribed us, subscribe us for more updates from our site. So let's begin with a very simple topic today, degrees of comparison. We know that adjectives and adverbs have always been used to make comparisons. Whether it is an adjective or an adverb, every adjective and adverb can be written in three different degrees or three different forms. These are positive, comparative, and superlative. So every adjective, every adverb has these three different forms: positive, comparative, and superlative. Let us take an example of an adjective: slow. So slow is the positive form, slower is the comparative form, slowest is the superlative form. Let us take another example. Ancient. Now you cannot go the similar way to make comparative and superlative form here. Ancient, ancient one, or ancientest. So we have now ancient, more ancient, and most ancient. So these were examples of adjectives. Similarly, I can take examples of adverbs. Slowly. So slowly, more slowly, most slowly. Similarly, beautifully, more beautifully, most beautifully. So every adjective, every adverb can be written in three different forms: positive, comparative, and superlative. Similarly, when we use these adjectives for comparison, we have three different degrees of comparison possible: positive, comparative, and superlative. So as I said, when we use these adjectives for comparison in a sentence, we have three degrees of comparison possible: positive, comparative, and superlative. Let us take an example. Delhi is as hot as Mumbai. Delhi is hotter than Mumbai. Delhi is the hottest city. So if you see, I have used three different kinds of comparison here. In the first, I said Delhi is all as hot as Mumbai. So Delhi is as hot as Mumbai. If you see, I have used the adjective in positive form here, hot. And when I used this adjective in the positive form, इस adjective के दोनों बाजू, अगल में बगल में, दोनों बाजू if you see, हमने क्या यूज किया है? As. So as dash as is the trademark of positive degree. So always recognize your positive degree with as dash as. ये आना जरूरी है हर positive degree में. Once again, as dash as. Let us go to the comparative degree now. Delhi is hotter than Mumbai. If you see, hotter than. If you see the adjective hotter here is in which form? Comparative form. So when I use the adjective in comparative form for comparison, उसके बाद immediately I have used an important word than. So dash than is always a trademark of comparative degree. So positive degree as dash as, comparative degree dash that. Now let's come to the next comparison. Delhi is the hottest city. If you see, Delhi is the hottest city here. So here the adjective is in superlative form. हमने articles करते वक्त बताया था that when you write an adjective in the superlative form, you always use an article the before it. So the dash is the trademark of the superlative degree. So there are three degrees of comparison possible: positive, comparative, and superlative. If we talk about the positive degree, the adjective has to be in positive form, and उसके अगल और बगल में क्या आएगा? As. So as dash as. Remember, in place of the first as, I can also use so. So as dash as or so dash as. Comparative degree, the adjective has to be in comparative form, and उसके बाद immediately there has to be an important word than. So dash than is the trademark of comparative degree. Similarly, if we talk about the superlative degree, Delhi is the hottest city. Here the adjective is in superlative form, and very important, before the adjective I have used the. So the dash is the trademark of the superlative degree. So how do you recognize the positive degree? As dash as comparative degree, dash then superlative degree, the dash. Now let us understand the various kinds of comparison. Now when we make comparisons, comparison can be made in two different ways. The first kind of comparison we'll start with is comparison of one with one. Comparison of one with one. One person with another person, one place with other place, one idea with other idea, one animal with other animal, etc. etc. So the first kind of comparison that we study is comparison of one with one. Now let us understand a few important rules when we make this kind of comparison. First, an important rule that when we have a comparison of one with one, there is no superlative degree possible. So no superlative degree possible when we have a comparison of one with one. So when we compare one with one, we either use a positive comparison or we use a comparative comparison. There is no superlative comparison. Let us take, let's start with the second rule. So if your question happens to be in positive, as I told, there are only two degrees possible, positive and comparative. So if the question comes across to you in positive degree, you will be converting it into comparative degree. And if a question is in comparative degree, you convert it into positive degree. Third rule, if your verb is affirmative, make it negative. And if your verb is already negative, make it affirmative. So these simple rules you follow. First rule, there is no superlative possible. So if it's positive, make it comparative. If it is already comparative, make it positive. If the verb is affirmative, make it negative. If the verb is negative, make it affirmative. Let us take an example here. Mahabaleshwar is cooler than Matheran. So here we have compared two hill stations, Mahabaleshwar with Matheran. So let us see how to convert it from one form to another form. Let us follow some simple steps. There are two, as I told you, there is a comparison between two places here, Mahabaleshwar and Matheran. So let Mahabaleshwar be subject 1 and Matheran be subject 2. If you check out the verb, is the only verb here, the auxiliary verb is. It's very simple to make negatives of auxiliaries. Simply add not to them. So is not, am not, are not, were not, etc. etc. So Mahabaleshwar is cooler than Matheran. Mahabaleshwar is subject 1, Matheran is subject 2. Is your verb, which is affirmative right now, and cooler than is your degree. If you see cooler than, dash than, it's which degree? Comparative degree. So now when you write the answer has to be in which degree? Positive degree. Okay, so we will write the answer in positive degree. Now to start with, we'll take the subject 2 in the start and subject 1 in the end. So to start with, we'll start with what? Matheran. ये हो गया first step. Next step, if the verb is affirmative, we'll have to write it in negative form. तो is का negative बनाना बहुत आसान है because it is an auxiliary verb. So is not. Dash than का positive degree में क्या हो जाएगा? I told you, remember, as dash as. So as cool as. Don't forget to convert cooler into cool. So as cool as. And in the last, you will write the subject 1, Mahabaleshwar. It's quite simple. So we got the answer. Matheran is not as cool as Mahabaleshwar. The answer is in which degree? The answer is in positive degree. As I told you, there is no superlative possible. Let us consider another example now. Ram runs faster than Shyam. So here again, Ram's trait is compared to Sham. We're talking about the trait called as fast speed. We are comparing the speed of both of them, Ram and Sham. I say Ram runs faster than Sham. So Ram is our subject 1, Sham is our subject 2. The verb here is runs, of course, which is affirmative. And if you see the degree, it's faster than dash than. So dash than मतलब कौन सा degree? It's comparative degree. So Ram runs faster than Sham. It's your comparative degree. Sham is subject 2, Ram is subject 1, and runs is your verb. So to start with, what you start with? Sham. What you'll end with? Ram. Faster than का क्या होगा? As fast as. Right? Dash than will become as dash as. Now let's come to the verb. The verb is runs. It is not an auxiliary verb here. So how to make a negative of it? If it is an auxiliary verb, simply you add not to it. But runs, not runs nahi hoga. So how to now make negatives of verbs when there is no auxiliary? We make use of these three important words: do, does, or did. If you see the verb has already an S in it, when the verb already has an S in it, use what? Does. So let's use does here. So does not. Now when you use an S in the does, runs ka S will go away, so it will become run. So your answer is Sham does not run as fast as Ram. So as fast as is positive degree. So you converted the comparative degree into positive degree. Remember once again, the verb is runs, it has an S in it. So to make a negative of it, you use does. Is that clear? Let us take another example. A ate as many mangoes as B. So here the comparison is made between A and B. So your A is subject 1, B is subject 2. If you see the verb here, the verb is ate. And if you see the degree, it is as many mangoes as dash as dash as. So कौन सा degree है? Positive degree. So your answer has to be in comparative degree. Let's start with, your answer will start with what? B. Sure? So B will come in the first, A will go in the last. Now let's make the verb. The verb, if you see, is affirmative. So you'll have to make it negative. So the verb is ate. Now ate is past tense. So when you make negative of a verb in the past, we have to use did. So when you make negative of a verb in the past, you use did. So did not. And once you use did, the past becomes present. Don't forget that. If you write did not eat, it is wrong English. So B did not eat. इतना समझा? Now as dash as का क्या होगा? Dash then. So many का comparative form क्या होता है? More. So more mangoes. Don't forget to write the mangoes in between. So more dash then. So more as many mangoes as, more mangoes than. So A ate as many mangoes as B. B did not eat more mangoes than A. So dash then is which degree? Comparative degree. Let us take one more last example. Children learn faster than adults. So if you see, we have compared the learning capacity of children with adults. So children is subject 1, adults is subject 2, faster than is which degree? Comparative degree. And the verb is learn, which is an affirmative form. So faster than is your comparative degree. So you have to start with what? Adults. Now if you see, learn is the present form of one, but present form of a verb, but it does not have what in it? S in it. So when it does not have S in it, you will use what? Do to form the negative. So when the verb has, so these are the following three possible ways: do, does, and did. So when the verb has an S in it, we use does. When the verb is in past, we use did. And the verb is in present but does not have an S in it, we use do. So adults do not learn. चलो faster than का क्या हो जाएगा? As fast as children. So are all the three examples clear? In one of the cases I used does to form negative, in the other I used did, and in the other I used do. And if the verb is already in an auxiliary form, you simply have to add not to it. Now let us move to the second kind of comparison now. We've already done the first comparison where one was compared with one. In the second comparison, I'm going to compare one with many. So comparison of one with many. First of all, when we compare one with many, it is important to remember that here there are all the three forms of comparison possible: positive, comparative, as well as superlative. So when we compare one with many, all the three degrees are possible: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Now again, when I compare one with many, under comparison of one with many, there are two kinds of comparison possible. There are two kinds of comparison possible: exclusive and non-exclusive. So when I compare one with many, again the comparison can either be exclusive comparison or non-exclusive comparison. Now what do you mean by this exclusive and non-exclusive? Let us take an example to understand this. When I say Ram is the tallest boy in the class, Ram is the tallest boy in the class. So let's write Ram is the tallest boy in the class. I have one other way of saying this as well. Ram is one of the tallest boys in the class. So I say Ram is the tallest boy in the class. There I say Ram is one of the tallest boys in the class. So if we see both the sentences, there is a difference in both the sentences. Here I say Ram is the tallest. I say here Ram is one of the tallest. So what is the difference between the two sentences? Let us understand. Both, if you see, are in superlative form. The tallest, the tallest. So both are superlative degrees. But when I say Ram is the tallest boy in the class, it is a very clear message that I send that Ram सबसे लंबा लड़का है क्लास में. राम से लंबा पूरे क्लास में और कोई नहीं है. But when I say Ram is one of the tallest boys in the class, तो क्लास में जो बच्चे हैं उनमें से कुछ बच्चे जो है काफी लंबे हैं बाकियों से कंपेयर करें उनको तो, and Ram is one of them. So Ram is quite taller than many boys in the class, but he is not the only one who is tall. There are many other like Ram. So here Ram is not exclusive, here Ram is exclusive. समझ में आया डिफरेंस? Ram is the tallest मतलब क्लियर कट है, राम सबसे लंबा है. राम इज वन ऑफ द टॉलेस्ट मतलब राम लंबा तो है, काफियों से लंबा है, बट सबसे लंबा है ये नहीं बोल सकते हम कि राम जैसे कोई और भी लड़के हैं क्लास में, बट ज्यादातर लड़कों से राम लंबा है, और यहाँ पे राम सबसे लंबा है. सो हियर द सुपरलेटिव इज एक्सक्लूसिव, हियर राम इज नॉट exclusive, not the only one. Got this? So now we will convert this sentence into the other two forms, positive form, and as I told, all the three forms are possible: positive, comparative, and superlative. Now when I talk about the positive form here, how to begin with the positive form? So I'll start the positive form with no other. Very important to remember, the exclusive form in the positive degree starts with no other. Now after writing no other what? Now here I compared Ram with all the boys in the class. So Ram is the one which is compared to many. What is the one here? Ram. And who are the many? The other boys. So how to start with? No other boy in the class is, now what is the trademark of positive degree? As dash as, remember. So as tallest का क्या हो जाएगा? Tall as Ram. So in the positive degree, the one that is compared with many comes in the last. Always remember. Let's talk about the non-exclusive form. Ram is one of the tallest boys. Here one more difference is to be understood. Ram is the tallest boy. Ram is one of the tallest boys. No other boy. Now let us make this into positive form, convert this into positive form, sorry. So again, as I said, exclusive में the positive starts with no other, non-exclusive में it starts with very few other or simply few other. You can use very few other or few other. Now no other के बाद I wrote boy, very few other के बाद I write boys. So no other boy, very few other boys. So very few other boys के बाद क्या लिखना है? In the class. Very few other boys in the class. Now one more important change has to be made here. The verb is because Ram is singular, so I used use. I used is, but now I'm starting with very few other boys, plural. So I'll have to use is के बदले are. And what is the trademark of positive degree? As dash as, so as tall as Ram. So very few other boys in the class are as tall as Ram. So no other is exclusive, very few other is non-exclusive. Both the sentences are in positive degree, but no other helps you understand it is an exclusive comparison. Very few other helps you understand it is a non-exclusive comparison. Now let's come to the comparative degree. It's quite simple. Begin the way you begin in the superlative degree. That is the one that is compared with many will come in the start. So we'll write Ram in the start. We'll use the same verb is. The dash के बदले क्या आएगा? Dash then. So tallest का क्या हो जाएगा? Taller. उसके बाद आएगा than. You don't stop here. Something very important that has to be mentioned to make it exclusive. The important words are any other. So the moment you write any other, you clearly give an indication that Ram is exclusive. So Ram is taller than any other boy in the class. Let's come to that. Again, we'll start with Ram only, the one that is compared with many. You'll use the same verb is. Ram. Now you remember it is non-exclusive comparison, one of the dash. So now how? For first, as it is comparative degree, I'm going to use same dash then, that is taller than. The next two words are important to indicate that the comparison is non-exclusive. In the exclusive one, I used any other. I'm going to use here many other. Or I can also use the word most. Either of them. Many other or most other. Remember, any other boy, most other or many other boys in the class. So when we compare one with many, there are all the three kinds of comparison possible: positive, comparative and superlative. First of all, पॉजिटिव डिग्री में एक्सक्लूसिव का ट्रेडमार्क क्या है? नो अदर. और नॉन एक्सक्लूसिव का ट्रेडमार्क क्या है? फ्यू अदर और वेरी फ्यू अदर. कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में डैश देन एनी अदर, डैश देन मेनी अदर और मोस्ट अदर. सुपरलेटिव द डैश, superlative one of the dash. So got the difference? Now when you have a question in front of you, you have to maintain the exclusive comparison is exclusive only and non-exclusive is non-exclusive only. Just you have to interchange the degrees. The exclusive comparison remains exclusive, the non-exclusive comparison remains non-exclusive. You just have to compare, you have to convert the degrees from one form to another form. So once again, positive और exclusive क्या याद रखना है? No other. Positive और non-exclusive में क्या याद रखना है? Very few other. Comparative and exclusive, any other, dash then any other. Comparative and non-exclusive, dash then many other or most other. Superlative, the dash. Non-exclusive, one of the dash. Is it very clear? One more thing to remember: no other boy, very few other boys. Any other boy, many other boys. The tallest boy, one of the tallest boys. So यहाँ पे we've written the noun in its plural form. Is that very clear? So guys, let us take another example now. Iron is more useful than any other metal. So if you see more useful than, तो कौन सा डिग्री है? Comparative degree. And any other tells you what? It is exclusive. Iron is more useful than. Again, more useful than tells you it's comparative degree, and many other tells you it's non-exclusive. Then any other metal, remember. Then many other metals, remember that as well. So now let's compare. Let's convert the degree from one form to another form, that is into positive as well as into superlative. Let's start with the superlative, which is quite easier. So we'll start with the same one that is compared with many. Here remember, iron is compared to all other metals. So we'll start with iron only. We'll use is only. Now superlative में क्या याद रखना है? The dash. क्या याद रखना है? The dash. So iron is the more useful का क्या हो जाएगा? Most useful metal. Quite simple. Iron is the most useful metal. So let's talk about now the non-exclusive comparison. Again, you will start with iron only. is only. Superlative का ट्रेडमार्क क्या है? the dash. But non exclusive है तो the dash के पहले one of आएगा. So one of the dash आएगा. So iron is one of the most useful metal or metals. Metals. So iron is one of the most useful metals. Iron is the most useful metal. Now let's come to the positive. Exclusive है तो कौन से स्टार्ट करना है? फिक्स. नो अदर से स्टार्ट करना है. अब नो अदर के बाद क्या करना है? जो कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव में डिग्री के बाद वाला पार्ट था वो यहाँ पे पहले आएगा. सो इफ यू सी देन एनी अदर के बाद क्या था? मेटल. मोस्ट यूजफुल के बाद क्या था? मेटल. तो ये पहले आएगा. सो नो अदर मेटल इज. पॉजिटिव का ट्रेडमार्क क्या है? एज डैश एज. डोंट फॉरगेट दैट. सो एज यूजफुल एज. मोर यूजफुल का क्या हो जाएगा? Useful. So useful, more useful, most useful. Some people write here many useful or something like that. Much useful, which is not required. Just useful, useful, more useful, most useful. So no other metal is as useful as iron. Some people write here more useful only. They don't remember to remove this more. So remember that useful, more useful, most useful. Let's come to the non-exclusive. How do we start with? Very few other or simply few other. So very few other. No other metal. Very few other metals. Very few other metals है तो इसका क्या हो जाएगा? R. Similarly यहाँ पे was होता तो यहाँ पे were हो जाता था. Is है तो R हो गया. So very few other metals are as useful as iron. So we took another example. Iron is more useful than any other. So then any other तो no other. The dash. More useful than many other. So positive we started with very few other, and in the superlative we used one of the dash. Let us come up with the final example. Aishwarya Rai is the most beautiful woman in the world. The most beautiful. Aishwarya Rai is one of the most beautiful. So the most beautiful exclusive, one of the most beautiful non-exclusive. So Aishwarya Rai is the most beautiful woman in the world. Aishwarya Rai is one of the most beautiful women in the world. The only purpose of taking this example was woman ka plural will be women and not womans. That's the only reason taking this example. So here the plural will be women and not women's. So women and women, remember that. Let's start with the positive degree. Quite simple. कहाँ से start करना है exclusive में? No other. No other के बाद क्या लिखना है? जो superlative में डिग्री के बाद वाला पार्ट है. What is that? Woman in the world. So no other woman in the world is. Positive में trademark क्या है? As dash as. So as most beautiful का positive क्या हो जाएगा? Beautiful. So no other woman in the world is as beautiful as Aishwarya Rai. Let's make the positive of the non-exclusive one. I will start with very few other or simply few other. So very few other. No other woman. Very few other women. Don't forget. So very few other women in the world. No other woman is. Very few other women are as beautiful as Aishwarya Rai. So no other woman in the world is as beautiful as Aishwarya Rai. Very few other women in the world are as beautiful as Aishwarya Rai. Let's start with the comparative. Remember, comparative starts with the one that is compared with many. So we'll start with Aishwarya Rai only. Is most beautiful का क्या हो जाएगा? More beautiful. And since it is comparative degree, more beautiful के बाद सबसे important word क्या है? Than. Remember, comparative का trademark होता है dash than. और exclusive maintain करने के लिए फिर क्या लिखना है? Any other. Then any other. Complete the remaining part. Woman in the world. Let's make the non-exclusive comparison now. Aishwarya Rai is, again you'll use dash then only. So more beautiful than any other के बदले you'll write what now? Many other. Again any other woman, many other women, many other women in the world. So this was the third example, the last example that we took. So I hope by this time this is very clear. So when a comparison of one is made with many, there are all the 3 degrees possible: positive, comparative and superlative. Again, the comparison can be made in two different forms: exclusive, non-exclusive. Exclusive and positive starts with no other. Exclusive, non-exclusive and positive starts with very few other. Exclusive but comparative, so dash then के बाद क्या लिखना है? Any other. Non-exclusive and comparative, तो dash then के बाद क्या लिखना है? Many other or most other. Exclusive or superlative, तो the dash. Non-exclusive or superlative, तो one of the dash. And always remember here, after the, if you see the nouns are in singular form, here the nouns are in plural form. So don't forget that. So students, hereby I conclude with the topic degrees of comparison. There is a small exercise, practice exercise for you, the link for which is given in the description below. Do solve it and you can raise your doubts in the comment box. So guys, if you find this video useful and want more such videos, educational videos, do like us, subscribe us. Thank you.